Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. It's been a hot minute since we did a full cook on here, so today we're going to be cooking a double smoked honey ham. While we got the pit getting up to temp and making sure nothing catches on fire, we're going to go ahead and get this ham seasoned up the way we want to. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some of this olive oil as a binder, and then give it a nice healthy covering of this Traeger pork and poultry rub, apple and honey. We got the Traeger cranking at 325. We got the hopper full of Bear Mountain Barbecue pellets, the Gourmet Barbecue blend. We got his ham on here. It was trying to fall apart on me, so I put that skewer on there. We're gonna let that rock for about 30 minutes and check on it, see if it's ready to start glazing. It has been a little over a half hour. It's looking like we're ready to glaze this bad boy. So last time I made one of these, I used the glaze that came with it in the package, and I was a little underwhelmed by it, so I decided to make my own from scratch this time. It was super simple. I just threw some honey, some of this rub, some of the squeezable country crock in this bowl and heated it up until it got all nice and mixed together. Got the ham all glazed up, and we'll check back in another 15-20 minutes. Alright, it has been about an hour and 15 minutes total cook time, and I am happy with that. We are done. I am pulling this bad boy to rest. Gonna wrap it in some foil while it rests too. Well, here we go. We got some of that sweet, savory, delicious double smoked spiral honey ham on this sandwich with some of my wife's incredible homemade mac and cheese. Sorry guys, but you cannot have that recipe. She guards it with her life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.